continues honoring Dia de Muertos with a new Somos Eternos collection, celebrating remembrance and eternal connection with loved ones. Japan's Atmos unveiled the first look at the Air Jordan 1 Low, dressed in denim turquoise, red Stardust, light stone, and smoky blue, a shift from last year's yellow and orange Somos Familia designs. Details include ornate swooshes, collection-specific tongue and insole accents, and a special shoebox with matte gold Somos Eternos text plus a 23 branded candle sticker, symbolizing the light of remembrance at altars. The phrase "We are eternal" captures the November 1st holiday's essence, where families honor those who have passed yet remain alive in memory. While the full lineup is unrevealed, at least 2 more pairs are expected before October ends. Global release is set on Nike.com ahead of Dia de Muertos.